Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the homepage layout of your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have rearranged your app menu page, you may be wondering how to reset it back to default. To do it, open up the Settings app on your watch. In Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll right down to the bottom and tap Reset. On the Reset page, select Reset Home Screen Layout from the bottom. You can also reset it by using the Watch app on your iPhone. Go to General, Reset, and then Reset Home Screen Layout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.